Evil Empire.
You was sliding, yeah. I saw that still I've been lame. Sorry when you play, but you know it's not mad. I feel like skip, but man, you know I've been had. I feel like Pablo, man, no way down dab. I'm all designer drug, they matching my sack. Got two-tone choppers on me and they match. I'm fucking with my plug, he never be taxed. I'm riding shotgun with choppers, yeah, I'm black. That nigga got stung, you know we call him lack. Just shot Hossein for doing all that act. Little cousin outside, you waiting on that pack. My shoes on play, like some pay the sass. All up my Glock, now everybody blast. I'm rocking that BB, know they on my glass. I'm towing that fade, you know it got me sacked. Just put up on gang, you know this shit Jurassic. Rich line gang stepped up on the block of slang. I'm throwing up base the block, you know I'm brand. Trying to rap on slime, you know I get the black. Got black gold diamonds on me like the Steelers. I'm not for LA, but no, I'm not for me. I fuck this little bit, I swear she look for me. I'm fucking with my plug, I swear he my nigga. I'm tired with a plug, I kill for that nigga. My brother banging easy, throwing up millies. These bitches tryna fuck, they know I'm real nigga. I'm from the projects, yeah, I grew around daily. I do not got no OG, I feel like Hilly. These niggas goofy, I ain't tryna take cool. I'm passing out the shot, I feel like I'm fish. Oh, broke that nigga, he be smoking no switch. I'm fucking on your bitch, I know you still missing. Yeah, she already know that nigga. Yes, no, I don't feel nothing, nigga. I don't trust nothing, I can't see nothing, nigga. Fuck all of that, follow that nigga, stop busting that shit, I can't be with these niggas. Man, fuck all that shit, I can't eat with y'all niggas. Tryna fuck